it's your girl Everything Me Sim is back again with another video. So today's video is just going to be about how I achieve my eyeliner, what type of look I'm going for, just my technique or the method behind the madness. I may have to do a voiceover later on in the video. I don't know yet, bear with me. You already know I'm coming in clean face. I'll wash my face first, add a moisturizer, all that good stuff. I'm gonna let it sit on my skin, and then I'm going to apply my makeup. So by popular demand, I did take a poll on my story a few weeks ago, and they did tell me that they wanted to know how I do my eyeliner and my eyebrows. So I did my eyebrow video last week. The eyeliner video is this week. If you're this far into the video, you might as well already hit subscribe, join the goal, gang, gang, gang. We lit over here, and that's on period, sis. If you ain't got no goals, set some, achieve some. The time is now. If you needed a message or a memo, it's me. Let's get it done. 2021, we're coming after everything that God has ordained for us. So let's not miss out on the bag. Like, sit down, stay a while, stay around. So I'm going to do my makeup first, and then after I finish my base, my eyes, everything, I'm going to come back with no eyeliner on, and then I'm going to show you guys how I apply my eyeliner, how I clean it up, what eyeliners that I do use, and just what I stick to. If it's not broke, don't fix it. So I always use NYX eyeliner because I like the way that it dries now. You can use other eyeliners if that's what you prefer to use. Like I said, if it's not broke, don't fix it. And I'm not finna be spending a whole bunch of money on some eyeliners when a $7 eyeliner does the same job, you know? So let's get into it. Okay, so here's what I'm looking like right now. A little bit crazy. Just a little bit crazy, a little bit. So now I'm gonna get into the 3 eyeliners that I use. Okay, so this is a felt tip. It's super big. It's called Big Fat Liner. I don't know. I got it from one of my mom's BoxyCharm boxes, and it's a felt tip. Excuse all the pigment around there, but it's a felt tip. I normally use this like sometimes on the inner corner if I'm feeling really lazy and I don't want to mess up my eyeliner. The next eyeliner that I use is the NYX Vinyl liquid liner. This dries down super matte and very quickly, so this is why I enjoy using this one. And then I use the NYX Epic Wear waterproof liner, and I don't know, I just bought this one because this one was running really low, so it's just like whenever I have to use it, I use it. But I still have a little bit more left in this one. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my eyeliner. So just pay attention. Like I said, I know I'm looking a little crazy. Trust the process. But yes, trust the process. Alright, so I have my eyeliner. I always use liquid liner. I don't use any other liner. If you guys see me with colored liner, I'm normally using like concealer or something like that in a concealer brush. But 9 times out of 10, always using liquid eyeliner. So I start from the inner corner. And I normally stop it like before I get to the end. And that's about like when my eyeliner runs out. Then I take a little bit more and I take the end up. So about like where my lash line ends, I take it up a little bit at an angle. So like this. And then I connect this line with the line that I already made on my lash line, if that makes sense. And then I fill it in. And don't worry about how messy it gets because you can always clean it up with concealer. Like I said, I go back and I may angle it a little bit more. Yeah, I'm gonna fix it up and then I'll be back. So after making sure everything is straight, this is what I'm looking like on this side. I'm going to show you how I do the other side. And I'm going to clean this up with concealer. I'm going to show you guys how I do that too. But yes, so like I said, this side I always do the angle first. I don't know why, but Yes, so yeah. Alright, this is what I'm working with right now. I'm going to show you guys how I clean this up as well. So, alright. So, I take a brush that kind of looks like this. The edge is pretty straight. I put a little bit of foundation on the back of my hand. So yes, I dip my brush in this foundation. And this is what it looks like. And then I just take the edge and I just go straight. Alright, pretty clean, pretty snatched. And then I'm probably gonna add a little bit of concealer on a brush. I mean, not a brush, but a sponge, and just kind of dab all of that in. So, yeah, this is what it's looking like right now. I'm gonna be back and show you the final look. All right, y'all. So this is the final look. Like I said, you don't have to use what I use. If it's not broke, don't fix it. But this is just my method and how I put on my eyeliner. I just thank you guys for listening to everything that I have to say, because I am by no means a professional, but who said you had to be professional to know a little something? I just know how I like for my makeup to look, and I know a lot of you guys have been asking how do I do my eyeliner, so something quick for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, join the go, gang gang gang, we lit over here. And that's on period, sis. If you ain't got no goal, set something, achieve something, the time is now. If you need a message or a memo, it's me. Let's get it done, y'all. 2021, we coming after everything that God has ordained for us. This is the time to live in abundance and overflow. I will see you guys next week with another video.